Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can map the L4 button and the R4 buttons on your 8BitDo Ultimate 4. Now basically doing this is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to first turn on your controller, making sure that it is connected to your device. Now from there you want to simply press on the L4 or LR4 button that you want to bind. So just go ahead and simply hold click on it. And while you're at it, you could just press the button that you want to bind onto this specific buttons. So while you're holding it, you then want to press on the specific buttons that you want to bind. In my case, I'm going to hold these two buttons right here. But if you only want to bind one, of course, you could just press on that specific button. Now while I'm holding it, I'm going to press on this specific button and it will simply blink, allowing us to now bind it onto that specific bind right here. So if I go ahead and navigate through my computer and simply right after, let's go ahead and press the button. As you can see, as I simply press it, it will then recognize it onto our controller test. So that's how easy it is to do this. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. So let's press on the other button, hold click it, press the button that you want to bind. So in my case, it's going to be something like Y. And then you want to press on this specific button. Right after, just release it, and if you press this button, it will then be prompted into that specific keybind right here. As you can see, I'm only pressing that button and it's recognizing it perfectly well. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.